So here we have all the gear that needs to be installed in our test bench. We have, first and foremost, this little single DIN cage here, which holds in the radio, a Sony single DIN car stereo, you know, your basic one with a USB audio input and Bluetooth, etc., etc. We're mostly going to be driving it off of the garage computer via that 3.5-inch TRS aux jack. We need to install this big daddy 800 watt power supply in order to provide switched power for the head unit as well as power for the amps. And then this little constant power supply, 100 watt here, will power our accent LEDs and the memory circuit of the radio so that it remembers our audio and display settings. Looking pretty badass, I'd say. I bet you guys want to have like more of a detailed tour of the whole system and what the hell I got going on here. Coming up. Watch out for the next part, babies.
Well, yeah, you gotta do shit, otherwise shit'll never get done. God damn.